This is the Inkbird wireless pool thermometer receiver set. So this is a floating style thermometer with a easy read display on it, optimal for swimming pools, hot tubs, hot springs, bathtubs, in your sink, really anywhere that you have a large body of water. So what I'm holding here is the digital receiver. So once the thermometer is placed in the water, you can get a reading on it. It's got a little stand so you can set it up on the counter and it will stay put. And then this is the actual thermostat here where you'll actually get a reading on top of it as well. But if you don't want to pull it out of the area, it's nice to refer to that digital one that you can have up to about a distance of 300 feet. So it'll digitally transmit that data to it. So you can see I've placed it in my bathtub here. Just give it a moment to get the reading. And there it is on my counter, very clearly laid out on there. If you have multiple of these thermostats, you can actually connect up to 3 thermometers simultaneously, making it just super helpful. Definitely check it out.